Have you ever wondered how 400 tons of metal learns to fly? It starts with raw elements: aluminum, titanium, and carbon fiber. Shaped by lasers and built with sub-millimeter precision.
But it's the human touch that brings the machine to life.
Witness the marriage, where thousands of parts become one. We'll go inside the complex nervous system that controls the skies. From the paint shop to the first takeoff, you will see it all.
I'm Kosi, and welcome to the Mega Factory. This is how airplanes are assembled.
It takes millions of parts and thousands of hours to build just one of these giants. Today, we go deep inside the process.
The journey begins with raw aluminum and advanced carbon fiber, arriving at the loading dock. Solid metal blocks are carved into lightweight, ultra-strong structural ribs. Carbon fiber parts are baked in giant ovens called autoclaves to harden them. Robots bend the skin panels to the exact curvature of the fuselage. Meanwhile, millions of rivets are sorted and prepared.
Stringers are added to stiffen the skin, acting like a skeleton.
Every millimeter is scanned for perfection. Once ready, automated vehicles move the parts to the main assembly line. The fuselage begins to take shape, standing vertically at first. The skin panels are carefully draped over the frame. Floor beams divide the tube, cargo below, passengers above. Thick insulation is added to protect against the freezing cold of high altitude. Now, the massive sections are brought together. Lasers ensure alignment down to a fraction of a millimeter.
A protective coating prevents corrosion for decades to come.
The wings start with the spar, the incredible backbone that holds the weight. Since wings carry fuel, every seam is manually sealed to prevent leaks.
Flight control surfaces are installed and rigorously tested.
The vertical stabilizer, or tail fin, is lifted into position. This is the marriage, where wings and body become one.
These massive bolts will hold the wings through turbulence and storms.
The landing gear is installed to support the aircraft's weight. A gravity drop test ensures the gear works even without power.
Miles of wiring form the aircraft's nervous system.
The flight deck receives its advanced avionics. Modules like kitchens are pre-built and slid right in. Flooring and carpets are laid with precision.
Finally, hundreds of seats are installed onto the floor tracks.
Every detail in the premium cabins is polished by hand.
The power plants arrive. High bypass turbofan engines. Only a few massive bolts hold these powerful engines to the wing. Structurally complete, the green plane heads to the paint shop. Robots apply layers of primer and paint with micron-level thickness.
The airline's identity is finally revealed.
Before flight, the engines are pushed to the limit on the ground.
Cleared for takeoff. Another marvel of engineering joins the skies. Sensitive areas are masked off before the spray begins.
It took 15,000 workers and 2 million parts to get here. Thanks for watching the journey.